So this is a quick video of how to take your first water kefir ferment and put it into its second ferment. So what I have here is I have my first ferment, which I put on yesterday. You can see the kefir, the water kefir down here, with a litre of water, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and I left it in the kitchen side just to ferment overnight. It has a soft top, so it needs to be able to breathe, secured by a hairband. So the idea with this one is that we will move the first ferment into a sealed container for the second ferment, and we'll leave it another 24 hours, and I'm going to show you how we do that. So first of all, you'll just need to get everything ready. You will need a funnel, and you will need a plastic sieve, and you will basically put one inside the other, and you'll take the lid off here, and you will pour this into the second one, catching all the lovely you're basically catching all the lovely water kefir here, and you're going to pop that back into your first ferment jar, ready to set off the first ferment again. And what you are going to do is you're just going to add the sugar to the two of them. So what you need to do is you need to pop your standard old sugar. You need 4 tablespoons into this first one, which is your first ferment. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you fill this up to the top. So 1 litre. And you can pop its hat back on and put that on the side, ready to go again overnight. And with the second ferment, you will put a tablespoon of sugar and stir this around, making it all dissolve. And if you want to add some fruit, you can. If you use strawberries, you can put them now. If you want to use lemon, then I would let the ferment happen and wait till the end of the ferment before you add it, otherwise it won't do its thing. So what we're going to do, put the lid on really tightly, like that, and then we're going to leave this on the side overnight, and it will be ready to drink in 24 hours. It will be fizzy, but mine isn't doing the fizz thing, but it still tastes super nice once it's been chilled in the fridge. And yeah, ready to enjoy. So thank you.